Introducing the all-new Carbon Off-Road 3.0 performance exhaust range. These exhaust systems are all made here in Australia and feature 3-inch aluminiumised tubing, CNC mandrel bending, 10mm flange plates, laser cut incorporated brackets, and high temperature electrostatic paint. You can even choose from many component combinations to build a performance system that suits your specific needs and applications. And best of all for you DIY enthusiasts, these kits come with a complete fitting kit and a fitment guarantee.
Ten, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.